By now, you've already gained an understanding regarding U.S. foreign policy towards the spread of communism. One of the conflicts the U.S. became involved in over the spread of communism is the Korean War. What led the way for U.S. foreign policy towards communism is the Truman Doctrine and then the idea that we had to contain communists and the domino theory. And those kind of set precedents for U.S. foreign policy. The domino theory is the belief that if one country fell to communism, others would follow. And some people made the case that this might be why we should go into Korea, because some felt that if Korea fell to communism, other countries may fall as well. After World War II, Korea was divided. You had North Korea occupied by the Soviets and South Korea occupied by U.S. troops, dividing Korea at the 38th parallel. In 1950, Communist North Korea, supported by China, invaded South Korea. North Korea remained communist and South Korea would remain sovereign, and this outcome just continued friction between the United States and the Soviet Union. Organizations such as the United Nations and the North Atlantic Treaty Organizations were set up in order to help prevent conflicts that would occur throughout the world, similar to those that occurred in Korea. The pros about the United Nations and the North Atlantic Treaty Organization is that, they can influence policy and protect American interests, and they also can protect American security and assist in other countries. But some of the problems that you'll see throughout history, even with beginning with the League of Nations, are that, in being a part of an organization like that, Americans may lose some of their security. And oftentimes, Americans are against getting involved in foreign conflicts. And so, being a part of an organization like the UN and NATO, sometimes we tend to be lured into foreign conflicts. On a sheet of paper, I would like for you to explain reasons for U.S. involvement in Korea. How do those reasons relate to the U.S. policy of containment and the domino theory? Also, many Americans have questioned whether fighting the Korean War was worthwhile. What is your opinion?
Once you've finished reviewing this mix, with your class, discuss the issues developing in the Cold War. Decide if it's a benefit to be a part of a world organization, and can you think of a current world problem that exists in which the United Nations could be helpful?